Good morning, YouTube. Get it, boy. Good boy. Good morning, YouTube. Get it, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Legs when I'm swinging. Well, we got 3 litters coming up. Oh, he's starting to spin. Don't get dizzy. Got 3 litters coming up. He is father to 2 of them. Lexus and SHUGABEAR. And actually he's got 3. She is pregnant too, I believe. I don't know yet. I can't tell because she's already had a litter, but she's starting to fatten up, and her nipples are gonna drop. But she, I didn't think they ever got together, but they might have. But definitely, this is his first baby mama. She's gonna be ready. She was conceptualized the 29th of July, so expect puppies around the end of September for her. And we got Lexi Lou, this big mama in here. What you doing, mama? Made a mess of your food? I can't let her out because she's pregnant, and her and SHUGABEAR just don't get along for some reason, especially when they're all hormonal right now. But she should be ready. I know this is a bad shot of her. I wish you could see her front. I'll put a picture of her up so you guys can see her full torso. But she's a blue fawn merle. She has puppies come in the beginning of September. Yeah, mama. And hopefully, this is the only one that we took to a different sire, Famous. We had the specimen shipped in from, sorry, the floors are wet in here, I just got done cleaning. The only one we took to a different sire was KITANA. She went to Famous of American Dynasty Kennels. He's a grand champion, R2G2 son, the golden child's grandson. He's also got Rocco blood in him, and she's got Rocco blood in him too, in her too. So we thought it would be a great match. He's like a sable fawn, and she's a chocolate tri-merle, so trying to get him in a merle coat. So yeah, if you want a father like this beast right here, we got plenty of puppies coming, sired by him. He's a beast. Oh, he just loves to play 24/7. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Get it, boy. Oh. You okay? Okay, baby. He's so big he doesn't even know his own strength. He's actually not that big though. He's right at 100 pounds, 105 pounds. Pocket standard line. Standard really. The girls are all pockets. But yeah, he's a monster, dude. So you wanna, and he's 2 times grand champion, Gottylines DAX, 2 times grand champion Muscletones CASABLANCA. These girls got grand champion 8-ball. They're both grand champion 8-ball granddaughters. Queen Sheba, the black girl, and the blue male, the black male. Grand champion 8-ball granddaughters. And we got 5-time champion MAGOO, and she's also 2 times grand champion CASABLANCA Muscletones. She's got Muscletones. She's got a bunch of Muscletones in her. She's got Apollo, Mr. Bean, grand champion Mr. Bean, champion Apollo, grand champion CASABLANCA, champion MAGOO, who was sold to China for close to $1 million. It's insane. But yeah. And that's my little Rocco granddaughter. Good girl. She's got champion Apollo in her too. Grand champion, or champion Southern Pride. Grand champion ROCKOMANIA. He's won 5 championships in Europe, 6 championships in the United States. He's an international grand champion. Yeah, so we got the bloodlines on the yard, and we're producing. So, Sugar Bear laying up there. What you doing, girl? We had to take her to the vet because I think they keep digging this hole in here. They keep filling it up, but they keep digging. Look at that big old hole underneath there. Oh, it broke the bottom. It was eventually gonna happen, but the dog plays good. I can't wait for these puppies though. She's so lean and stocky and tight and small. Perfect mother. She's gonna throw some big boys. Some nice stocky small boys with that muscled up beast over there. Alright guys, hit that like button for us. It really does help the channel. You guys have a wonderful day. This is Mack from Big Mac Bully Camp. We love all the support. Come get your puppies. 203-641-9304. Taking pics now. Ooh! He's like, I'm done.